Good day everyone, this is Cameron from the Bull Trades. I hope everybody is having a fantastic day today. So we are talking Virgin Galactic, ticker symbol SPCE, as we watch this beautiful rocket launch that happened on July 11th. A historic flight. It was absolutely amazing. Richard Branson, the first billionaire into space, flawless execution from start to finish, and everybody being awarded their astronaut wings at the end of the ceremony. And we were just going up from here. I mean, it was definitely a cert for many people believed that we were just going up, up and away as far as the stock price goes. But no, it didn't happen. There was a big shock. But let's see. Let's dive into this. Was it a sell the news event? Maybe. But I think it was a combination of a few things. And mostly the shock of a $500 million share offering by Virgin Galactic. So let's take a look at that as we watch this beautiful, amazing rocket going up into space. Absolutely beautiful and amazing. So here it was. Virgin Galactic Holdings up to $500 million of common stock. We have entered into a distribution agency agreement with Credit Suisse, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, blah, 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 to sell stock. Our common stock listed on the New York Stock Exchange under ticker symbol SPCE July the 9th, which was $49.20 on July the 9th. Now sliding almost 40% to $31.76. So yeah, this is absolutely crazy. So let's take a look at the stock and see what the heck is going on. So as you can see, here's a stock chart. This shows the past month high of $57.51 in the past month, and currently trading at about $31.75. Now, what is the situation right now? Well, if you look at the RSI, 70, anything above 70 is way overbought, and anything below 30 is way oversold. Now we are at 20.89 on the RSI, which indicates we are absolutely massively oversold. Could we go lower? Sure, but in historical terms, that's highly unlikely. Now, why do I say that? Well, I did a little bit of a deep dive into Virgin Galactic stock and how it performed over the past year. So let's take a look at that real quick and see. So if we go into Yahoo Finance, it actually shows us the historical prices of any stock. You can just pull it up on here. And as we can see, Virgin Galactic is the one I have pulled up. And we have gone from July the 15th of 2020 to July the 15th of 2021. So I've pulled up the whole past year of historical prices of Virgin Galactic stock. As you can see, we have an open, high, low, and a closing price. So I went all the way back for a whole year and I analyzed the stock. Now, by no means is this the first time that Virgin Galactic has done a stock offering. It's done many stock offerings. And is it by no means the first time that a founder hasn't sold shares? Chamath sold a whole bunch of shares. He sold his entire personal holdings. Richard Branson has to sell many millions of shares to bail out Virgin Atlantic Airlines in the face of the crisis that was happening with the pandemic and Virgin Atlantic not flying. They're hardly flying right now. So by no means was this the first time that we had such a major sell-off in shares and having stock offerings as well. We've had offerings as well for millions and millions and millions. So why is this down so much? It's absolutely crazy and bewildering. But let me just go over a few quick things here. Number one is, going back historically over the past year, we have never been down more than 5 days in a row before bouncing back. Never more than 5 days in a row. And that only happened one time. Only one time in the past year that we went down 5 days in a row and then we rebounded. We are currently on track, if we finish down today, to be 6 days down in a row. 6 days. Let's count them up. So let's start here. 52.69 went to 49.20. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And if we count today, that will be 6. So we are way oversold, and that's having historic space flights. In fact, we've had 2 space flights. We had the successful May 22nd space flight, and we had the historic space flight on July 11th with Richard Branson. Of course, we did the $500 million offering. So we have a lot of positives with what could be considered a negative $500 million share offering. But the positives here outweigh the negatives, yet we have sold off massively. So with the RSI pretty much below 30 at 20 and all the positives and just the one negative and being down now for almost 6 days in a row, we are due for a massive bounce. Now that's my opinion, and this is definitely not financial advice, and this is definitely not a recommendation to buy or sell anything at all. I just do this for entertainment purposes only. But in my opinion, 6 days in a row is the most we've ever gone down in the past year, ever. And that's with all these good, amazing, positive catalysts. And we've had that one negative, of course. So do I think the share offering is completed? I don't know. It could have been already completed. We're just waiting for announcement. But we are due to bounce back massively. And it looks like we're definitely going to close down today. So Friday could be the day where we actually have a big bounce. Now, I'm not in the market of making predictions. I'm more long-term investment than short-term, but I think we are due for a bounce. To go down 7 days in a row, in my opinion, it's probably not going to happen. And Fridays are usually being pretty good, so I think tomorrow we have a good, healthy bounce and we start recovering. The bad news is behind us. We have all the positive news ahead with the future space flights to complete the test program, the Italian Air Force coming up and flying soon as well. And then commercialization next year. Any good news about hypersonic space, hypersonic travel? There is just a lot of positives from here on out. And I think that we're definitely due for a big bounce, especially being way oversold and being down, which looks like 6 days in a row. Definitely number 7 is going to be lucky number 7, and I believe we'll probably have a big bounce. But like I said, my opinion only, not financial advice. Just want to thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel as I bring you more great content in the future. Take care. Bye for now.